Well, good morning everybody. This morning I want to introduce you to a few new additions to the Turkana range, and they're called the ChipCheeks. If packing your bags is a bit of a chaotic exercise, then these ChipCheeks are definitely going to help. They come in a variety of colors. They are made from a product called Sharkfur. Very, very tough, hard wearing, perfect for the outdoor adventure. It's water resistant, weather resistant. A really nice feature of these bags is that they fit other Turkana products. So as an example, this larger one will fit my 10-litre side pannier bag, or you could put 2 or 3 of these in this way and it would fit perfectly. The smaller one will also fit if you was to put it on its side in the bottom. The zips on the side of the bag allow you to put your electronics on the inside, and the cable can come out of the side. Really, really nice, well thought out bag designs. I can see these being used for a whole multitude of activities. Why not organise your packing chaos and get yourself a set of these Turkana ChipCheeks? That's it from sunny Cape Town. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, ciao.